Hi, I'm Janice Nath, Ambiance Architect with Ambius, and I'm going to try to help you determine the perfect grow light for your plants. Plants need a lot of light in order to photosynthesize. This is how they make their food. It is very important that you determine how many foot candles of light are in your space. You can do this by using a light meter. Light meters can be bought at your local hardware store. They help you determine how much foot candles are in your space. Once you've determined how much foot candles are available, then you can determine how much foot candles of light your plant requires. You can get incandescent lighting. Incandescent light is hot, so you want to be careful how close you put it to your plants. A good distance is about 24 inches away from your plants. You can also get fluorescent lighting. Fluorescent lighting is cooler. You can put those closer to your plants. When you pick your lights, you want to be sure that you pick in the right type of lighting. There's a whole spectrum of light. Grow lights that are more on the blue side help promote plants that are more bushy. So growth for these plants would be ideal on a blue light. However, if you choose a grow light that has red light, that is great for blooming plants. Here you have a perfect example of a blooming plant, a gorgeous orchid plant. So once you've determined what type of light you require for your plants, it is also very important to allow them some dark time. Plants need a proper balance of light and dark in order to thrive. Hope this helps you determine the proper lighting for your plants. Janice Nath, Ambiance Architect with Ambius.